Sleeping is a state by which we are disconnected from the whole real world and connected to our own dream world. Everyone likes sleeping, everyone loves to get a quality of night sleep. But many people find it difficult to get a good night's sleep. But how is it? Everyone likes sleeping, but many are struggling to get a good night's sleep. It may be because of not following the best sleep practices. In this video, we'll be seeing the best and effective ways of sleeping practices, which will certainly make you sleep like a baby. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. In this channel, we will deliver life-changing habits, productivity advice, tips for healthy and purposeful life, and general self-development ideas. So watch the video till the end. This is our friend John. He is really struggling to get a good night's sleep and feeling tired all the day. But what John really does? He chats with his friends every night, playing video games and watching movies, and he hit the bed at 3 am. But as soon as John hit the bed, he is not getting sleep. He is still awake for another 1 hour, and then he gets sleep and wake up at 9 am. This is John's sleeping schedule. Since John is waking up late in the morning, he has no time to make him ready for the day. He did not work out. Also, he is carving more on junk foods and doing his day's work and returning home, chatting with his friends, playing video games, and watching movies. This cycle continues. What changes can John do to get a good night's sleep and be more productive at his work? Before that, we'll see what a good sleep really is. According to the National Sleep Foundation, 7 to 9 hours of sleep is necessary for an average adult. Amount of sleep required varies with the age. A newborn needs 14 to 17 hours of sleep. An infant needs 12 to 16 hours of sleep. A toddler needs 11 to 14 hours of sleep. A preschooler needs 10 to 13 hours of sleep. A school kid needs 9 to 12 hours of sleep. A teenager needs 8 to 10 hours of sleep. And an average adult needs 7 or more hours of sleep. Apart from the number of hours sleeping, the quality of sleep is also very important. Studies shown that insufficient sleep is directly linked to the increased risk of type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, increased appetite which leads to obesity, depression and other mental disorders and even cancers. Sleeping plays a vital role in the hormonal balance in our body. Melatonin, a good feeling hormone which is released during the dark night sleep. During sleeping, our body recharges and repairs itself, which gives the fresh feeling to start the day. Also, sleeping is directly linked to your success and the overall quality of your life. Okay, back to our story. The first thing John needs to do to get a good night's sleep is to stick to a sleeping schedule. He needs to stop chatting and playing video games at late night. It is difficult at start, but as John follows it regularly, he was able to fall asleep when it's time. It is because John's sleep-wake cycle is dictated by his circadian rhythm. This is an internal biological clock that regulates various processes over a 24-hour period. The inconsistent sleep timing affects the circadian rhythm. A study conducted at Duke University School of Medicine found that the inconsistency in the sleeping pattern may increase the risk of obesity, hypertension, and even heart disease. Next thing John needs to do is to turn off all the electronics at least an hour before bed. It is because the blue light from the electronic devices such as TV, mobile phones, and laptop can make John awake longer in the bed. Also, he needs to keep his bedroom dark or as dim as possible, because the melatonin hormone we discussed earlier is released during the sleep when there is no light. The next thing John needs to do is to finish his dinner at least 1 to 2 hours before his bed. Also, he needs to completely avoid going to the bed on empty stomach. Going to the bed on heavy or empty stomach will certainly disturb John's sleep. Also, he may avoid very spicy and sour food before sleep as it may cause heartburn. The next thing John needs to do is to work out. Doing some physical activity will make John tired and so he'll be falling asleep quickly. It also helps him to maintain a great shape and healthy life. But he needs to avoid exercising before bed, as it may have the reverse effect. John likes coffee. He can take it, but he should not overconsume it. Also, caffeine intake before bed will make him awake long in the bed. He needs to maintain a good environment for sleeping. The temperature of his sleeping room should not be too hot or too cold. It should be cool and comfortable. He can wear loose and comfortable clothes, preferably cotton clothes. Then John needs to practice meditation regularly, because managing worries is an important thing for a good night's sleep, and to achieve it, meditation comes as a boon. It helps in the detoxification of the mind, reduces stress level, and makes calm. As John practices meditation regularly, he found himself getting undisturbed sleep and feeling refreshed every morning. Also, he found his productivity increased several times. Now, John finds time to spend with his family. He is getting a feeling of satisfaction in his life. He leads a happy and healthy life. It is because of the small life changes, John goes from an unhealthy, sleepless, depressed life to a healthy and successful life. Getting a good night's sleep is essential. It reflects in your success, personal relationship, confidence, and overall well-being. By following these simple steps, you can get a wonderful night's sleep. Also, seek professional advice before undergoing any changes in your lifestyle. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you will be notified when I upload a new video. We will meet in our next video. Until then, bye and take care.